Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at the picturesque Uga Ulagalla resort located in Tirupani, just 20 kilometers outside Anuradhapura. And you see the main restaurant here. Obviously I'm going to show you the food first, and then I will show you the villas and the surroundings later on in this video, because most of my viewers are mostly interested in the food that everywhere has to offer. So this is just a glimpse of the property, the main pool over here, and the main Walawa is located here, and the small area which you see on your right is the arrival area where they do the arrival ritual. So there are buggies like you see here to go around the whole resort and to travel back and forth to the main Walawa and to your villa. But if you prefer bicycles, there are bicycles to your villa, so you can just use your own bicycle and cycle and come to the main restaurant or go around the property to see what they have to offer. So this is the inside of the main Walawa area. There's a pool table, there are chess balls, a small bar, place to sit. This is the front desk, not a huge place, but it serves the purpose. And from here you enter to the main restaurant where breakfast, lunch and dinner is served. So if you're ever booking this resort, I recommend you taking the resort on the full board basis, because that can give you a lot of value to your stay, and the food here is out of this world. So this is the breakfast that I'm going to show you first. For all 3 meals they give you a bread basket, so there are croissants, most big pastries and all that included. That was a yogurt with treacle, and this was waffles with kettle treacle, banana and some fresh cream on the side. So also they have homemade jams and butter as well. So we decided to go with kiribat on this occasion, and string hoppers. So we wanted to do fully Sri Lankan. So all of this is included: prawn, fish, chicken, sambal, potato curry, dal curry, and also the condiments for kiribat, sini sambal and kata sambal. So that was breakfast basically. And now we move on to the lunch of day 1. So again, the bread basket, 3 types of butter, chili, pesto and the normal butter, which was salted. And then we ordered 2 king coconuts. I have to tell you guys, they all bill in US dollars, so this king coconut was $2.5 US. So this was our starter, grilled squid. This was amazing. It was perfectly done. And there was another one. This was tuna. It was a tuna tartar with some chips and some dressing on the side. These were amazing. So again we went Sri Lankan for this day. So a Sri Lankan rice and curry experience, and this was a Sri Lankan style fried rice with a fried egg and a curry sauce on the side. All the food was amazing, and the desserts, a special mention to this, the chocolate fondant. It was amazing, out of this world. And this was called the chocolate trio. It was chocolate mousse, chocolate ice cream and chocolate cake. So as I told you earlier, you can use bicycles to go around the whole resort. So we used a bicycle on this day, and after lunch we decided to cycle back to our villa. Next I'll show you the arrival experience, the buggy and all that, before I show you the rest of the food, otherwise you get. Also guys, please excuse me if you hear the sound of the ocean in the background of this voiceover. I'm in another resort owned by Uga, which I will bring you a video soon. So I'm just doing the edit and doing the voiceover here. So excuse me for that. I hope the voiceover is clear for you. So here we are going to our villa on our buggy on day one. This butler Prabhat was amazing. This guy was explaining and showing us what this villa had to offer and how we had to go around and the locations we had to see. So I shall just fast forward this a bit, otherwise you guys will get bored. But before that, I want to tell you, if you're new to the channel, do like, share and subscribe my channel. I will show you mostly food and some travel in between here and there, but there are some exciting new vlogs coming up for you guys. So, and for everyone who has been here with me from day one, thank you very much, and I love the support and I appreciate it. Small one, so one highlight here is the 2 horses. You can do horse riding here. So that too is built in USD. Horse ride per person was $40, guys. We did not do it, but if you want, you can do that as well. So this is the road or the path to the villas. Just to let you know, guys, I may not show you all the food which we had for the 6 meals which we were entitled to. So the rest you can go and check out on my TikTok, the Lankan Foodie, or on Instagram, again the Lankan Foodie. And don't forget to follow me on those platforms as well. So this is a room. We got a deluxe pool villa. So you have your own plunge pool outside, all the necessary amenities. This is the look from the outside. There's a jacuzzi as well, but honestly we like the main pool located near the Valawa, because these pools are not heated and these are located in a lot of shade, so it is a bit cold even during the day. So yeah, that's it. So over here is the room. We have a bedroom over here, a closet, then our living area is separate. It's a huge villa, guys. So there's a TV, all the amenities, the minibar. The minibar was fully stocked, and yeah, and this was the bathroom. The amenities were amazing. So all in all, it was a great stay, and we'll definitely be back at Uga Ulagalla. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all soon in another video soon.